Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my first ever vlog. Today I'm going to talk to you about the applications of physics inside my house. First off, let's start in the kitchen. Next off, we have the oven. These mittens here are to protect our hands from the heat because this is all metal. And then inside the oven, it works like this. When the heat comes in, it will transfer through the food using radiation and also convection and also a bit of conduction. The food will be inside this metal tray here, which is how the heat will conduct and heat all the food inside. Meanwhile, it uses radiation because it generates heat from around the oven and directs it into the food. And there's also an airflow inside the oven so that the air will move around and cause the food inside to heat up too. So everything will become nice and hot, and so that the heat doesn't escape, we can close this and use this glass here because glass is a good heat isolator. And so when the food is done, when the timer here is up, we can just open the oven and take out our food inside. This button is to control the temperature, and this one is for the power button to turn it on and off. Pretty simple, right? Next off, we have the stove. This button will turn the lights on so that we can see better when we're cooking. These are the fans, so to suck up all the smoke that will come through. There's 3 different settings, from weak to medium to strong. And then this button will turn any one of these buttons off. What the fan does is that when we cook, there will be smoke, and it will all go through the ventilation, and these fans turn on the ventilation system, and the smoke will all go through. That way our kitchen won't smell like smoke every time we cook. And these stoves work like this. Gas is released, and then it is sparked by that little white igniter there. And then this can be toggled to be small flame or big flame. Or if I just want to turn it off, I just turn it like this. So you see the gas turns into a gaseous state. And then it comes out from these holes here. And then the white tube will ignite the gas, turning into a flame that's hot enough for cooking. Pretty simple to understand, right? And finally, there's the water boiler. The way it works is, you see that metal down there? When I put on this and turn the power on, the electricity will heat up the metal underneath, causing a conduction heat transference effect that will heat up the water inside. And because there's also an airflow inside this thing, the water can also heat up that way. So there's 2 ways that the water will heat up, and when it reaches high enough temperature, the water cooker will detect that, and then it will turn off automatically. So that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure to subscribe, and my classmates will be uploading their own vlogs about the applications of physics in their houses soon enough. So make sure to subscribe and don't miss out on what they have to give you. Bye!